Today, we are discussing an interesting topic, hormone restoration. Hormones are chemical messenger that regulates numerous essential functions in our body. In medical terms, we call this the endocrine system. The endocrine system consists of the glands that create and release hormones. Hormones are chemicals that coordinate different functions in our body by carrying messengers through our blood to our organs, skin, muscle, and other tissues. These signals tell our body what to do and when to do it. They directing processes such as metabolism and energy production, regulations of mood and emotions, sleep-wake cycles, and reproductive functions. The major hormone glands that make up the endocrine systems are the hypothalamus, pituitary glands, pineal body, thyroid glands, parathyroid glands, adrenal glands, and the ovaries and the testes. A proper hormone balance is crucial for maintaining health, and disturbances can lead to a range of health issues. As we age or go through various life stages, our hormone level can fluctuate, leading to imbalances. You may experience symptoms such as fatigue and low energy, mood swings or depression, sleep disturbances, changes in weight, either weight gain or difficult losing weight, decreased libido or sexual dysfunction, irregular menstrual cycle in women. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it may be time to assess your hormone status and explore the hormone restoration options. At Anahu Clinic, we take a holistic approach to hormone restorations. We begin with a thorough consultation and assessment, which may include blood tests to check hormone level and an evaluation of your symptoms. Understanding your unique hormonal profile is essential before proceeding with any treatment.